Hello there everyone, I hope you are having a great day. Today I would like to take you through a makeup tutorial inspired by the festive season. So I decided to create this smoky makeup, which is a bit difficult to achieve for my eyes because I have got hooded and droopy eyes and mature skin. You always have to be very attentive how you apply the makeup. So as ever, I started by cleaning my face, which you don't see in this video, as usual, using the toner, serum, cream, and then applying only around nose area and on the nose the number 7 primer Urban Decay foundation, and then on the eye area I applied the MAC eye concealer because I have noticed they give a very good result. So I'm not keen of applying foundation all over my face, just in the central area. The next step, which I always do for videos only, is applying some kind of pomade or anything for the eyebrows. Why? Because it shows an increased contrast between the makeup and the eyebrows, which everyone seems to be liking so much in makeup videos. So on this occasion I have used the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and I fixed it afterwards with a very worn mascara. Why? Because it erases the eyebrows in a beautiful way. And the next step was to also apply the L'Oreal Lash Serum on the lower lashes. Again, a thing which I like so much, and so check my 5 items to like a video because it has elements which I use for many years. For this video I have used 2 large brushes and 4 small precision brushes, which you are going to see pretty soon, and I have used the HUDA Rose Gold palette, as you can see here, together with other elements which I'm going to take you through pretty soon. So the smoky makeup for me, because I have got hooded and droopy eyes and I have got a mature skin, has to be very specific, and I found this method to elongate my eyes but also to raise them, which might not suit everybody, but it suits me. What I also used was Revolution Beige concealer because the white dries rather hard. So first I start by preparing the area for the smoky makeup by using these tapes, which are reusable, and I tend to use this method for quite some time in the 2 types of makeups I normally do. One reaching the eyebrows and the second one passing the eyebrows, in which case I'm always going to use this kind of tapes. Rolls of tapes you can find everywhere. I started by applying with a large brush from Huda Rose Gold palette, the color called Shy, which is light matte brown, and afterwards with another large brush I used the color called Black Truffle, which is a matte black. And I also used from this collection the COCO, which is a dark medium brown, with the same large brush to seal the RIMMEL black pencil I used on the lower eyelashes. When I do this, might not appear perfect on camera. This is because I'm still having problems on filming, finding the right filming location. So on this occasion I filmed near the window, so this is all natural light, no artificial light whatsoever, and I filmed it with a Samsung Galaxy A7. This might not look perfect on camera, but in real life looks amazing. So not many people are doing that. They have found a format to ensure their makeup looks perfect on camera, so I urge you not to be fooled by this. Best makeup routine that suits you. And You can achieve it just by following these little steps I have used myself. After applying the Rimmel black eye pencil on the waterline, which I always have to be very careful how I do it, because in the past I had infections in that area, so I'm trying to avoid that. But at the same time, I can't apply much because I'm trying not to make my eyes appear more droppy. So this is very important. And the next step is to set it with the brown I mentioned to you, the COCO color, and I use the same large brush. Now, when creating this makeup that suits me so much, I started applying that Revolution Beige Eye Concealer, which is not as strong as the white one, as I mentioned to you. And then I proceeded to apply the Collection Glitter with a fixed gel using a very small brush. And I have tried, instead of using Collection, to use Inglot, which I purchased it this summer in Miami and the NYX, but they were not as great as this Collection glitter. So that is why I'm using it. And it's very easy to apply. You dip that brush into the fix gel and then into the Collection glitter, shake the brush, and then apply it on your eyes. It's as simple as that. I have applied that Revolution Beige Concealer in the shape that suits me best. You might have a different shape that suits you best. And once I'm happy with the application, I apply the gorgeous PHOERA Eyes Glitter with a precision brush in the inner eye area in that V, which I like so much, as I couldn't find any other glitter or illuminator to make my eyes appear more interesting because my skin is so white. With other people who are tanned, even to me when I'm tanned it suits me a lot, or darker skin, any kind of illuminator in the inner eye area, it suits them, but not to me. So I have to be very specific about this. Defining the makeup I have applied there was done by using the silver glitter eyeliner from the set which you saw there. I ordered from China, just like the PHOERA Eyes glitter. And the next step is applying the black mascara and the eyeliner, again delicately, in order not to make my eyes droppy. So this is a trick that works for me, and now that I found how to adjust this smoky eye look, I think I'm going to do much more in the future. The trick is to go with parallel lines and not following actually the line of the eyes in order to make them droopy. And of course, no makeup is complete without the usage of fake lashes, and on this occasion I fixed them with the EYLURE black glue, which is a bit messy and it really upset me, this, and you can't see where you put it, so I'm not sure if in the future I'm going to continue using it or I'm going to revert to the white one. As ever, I hope all this information was of any help to you. Thank you for watching and have a very nice day. Bye!